Can't see. Can't see. Woo! That was, dude, this thing's a blast. I love this thing. I'm having a blast right now. Here we go. Oh yeah. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Nate's Bash and Build. Today I'm on lunch break again. 30-minute bash sessions all day. I got my LOSI DBXLE out here again. Tried it with the Typhon yesterday. It wasn't good. Again, just kept shutting off and just having issues. I really need to get a new ESC and motor for it and some better fans. But we're out here with the LOSI again. This thing never disappoints. I'm beginning to like it more and more the more I drive it. I didn't really like it when I first got it, but I'm starting to enjoy it. So yeah, let's rip this place. I'm gonna try and do some huge sends today, get some speed runs in and some big jumps. So let's bash this place. All right, and we're rolling. Let's do this. Also, I forgot my mic isn't working, so hopefully you guys can hear me good. I'm gonna try and talk a little bit louder so you guys can maybe hear me. But yeah, let's get this. All right, there we go. Yep, she's ripping. Fix my camera because last few times I came out here, I missed a lot of the footage, and it sucks. Ooh, look at this little jump right here. Let's try it out. That 8S power, baby. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, this thing rips. I love this thing. Oh yeah, baby. All right, let's not mess around. Let's go straight to the jump spot. Let's not mess around. Let's go straight to the jump spot and try and send this bad boy. Oh yeah, I love this thing. All right, we're at the jump spot. See if we can hit this thing. Let me try and stand back over here and see if that's good. All right. All right, let's send it. Oh yeah, that was good. liking this thing. Starting to really like it, actually. Alright, let's go to this next spot. Whoa. This is a good spot for some speed runs, bro. Yeah! Go, dudes, go! Alright, I'm gonna do a flyby right here. Oh! Can't see! Can't see! Oh, let's try this spot real quick. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, baby! LOSI's never disappointing me now. I'm starting to enjoy this car a lot. Can't we just start upgrading it? I'm gonna put a 12S system in it. It's gonna be dope. Ooh, that was cool. Oh, she got stuck. The dirt down here is just super soft. Super soft dirt. Oh, rescue! I rescued her. Alright, let's do it one more jump right here and then we'll try a different spot. I want to get some good sends. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah, man. Woo! That was sweet. All right. Let's see, where was I jumping last time? Woo, that was cool. Yeah, oh! Hell yeah. Here we go. Oh yeah. Here she comes. Oh yeah, baby. That was sweet. Oh, she shut off. She shut off. She's probably getting hot. Yeah. So let's turn her off real quick. Turn her off for a little bit, and then we'll bring it over there to the other jump spot, and we'll get some over there. Man, this thing's so much fun out here. It is a blast, way funner than the Typhon. I mean, if I can get my Typhon running right, it'll probably be better. But as of right now, this thing's the king of the construction site. This thing is a blast. I am fully having fun right now. All right, let's turn it back on. And we'll go to the other spot. I need to get a motor fan and a heat sink. That's what I'm talking about. Oh no, she's stuck. All right, let's go to the other spot real quick because I only got 30 minutes, so yeah. Oh, dang, that launched it. Let's try that again. Oh, that's all right. Gosh, I love this car. And to think I wanted to get rid of it, I just wasn't doing it right. Wasn't driving it right. Look at that suspension work. That's so fun. Dude, this thing's a blast. I love this thing. I'm having a blast right now. All right, let's hit some good old sends right here. You can see the cloud cover. I'm right by the freeway, but it's still not doing enough. Try again. There we go, baby. That was sweet. Hopefully I got that on camera. Try again. Stand back a little bit. Come on, just give me one like that last one. That one was sweet. All right, come on, baby, give me a good one. There we go. Check this out right here. It might be too big. I don't got much time left. Gotta hurry up. I want to try it at least once right here. Oh, that was crazy. All right, where's that good jump at? Yeah, right here. All right. See if we could do this. Oh, that was cool. Gotta get a better running start at it. Oh! Oh. Having some diff issue, I think. That's gonna be it. I think my diff is gone. All right, guys, I think my diff is gone. Having something's wrong. Either it has to be my diff housing, something. It's something. Try one more thing before I go. Yep, it's my diff. All right, we gotta go. Oh, center diff. All right, my center diff. My spur gear is messing up. Something happened. I'm gonna have to fix it. But that was a 6 end. I love this car. I can't wait to start upgrading it. 12S is next. Yeah, so peace out. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that. I'm gonna keep posting, baby. All right, guys, there's the damage. My ESC is coming off, and my pinion gear is coming off as well. I think that's what happened. My pinion gear started coming off. Got to get some motor support for this. The motor's just a little bit too big for me to be sending it like that with no support. And then I got this as well. Gonna have to re-stick that. But yep, there's the damage.